That's where your mother hangs out.
Please. Great. So stupid. He sounds so dumb when he talks. He's 43 years old. I don't need to go to a hotel to meet anyone. Sorry. Not you.
I'm down.
Yeah, you scared him. And it's hot out here because it rained. Ugh.
No.
It's yucky outside. When it rains like that, baby, it gets yucky. Look at that lizard. Look, you see him right there? You see him on the little stand? By the time you get there, he's going to be gone. I told you he's going to be gone. It's yucky outside. Ugh.
No.
When it rains, it gets so nasty.
I
That's the blue crane, or blue egret. He's blue. That's a blue egret.
Mommy.
Egret. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Egret,
I
egret.
got.
What? Oh, be careful, baby.
I do that.
Yeah, I don't want you to fall, though. Come inside.
No, I see.
You can see him.
I see the door. I see.
Okay.
I got my flaps. My flaps.
No, they'll fly away if you get too close. Don't go any closer. They'll fly away. They'll get scared. So just watch them from a distance.
Look at food.
What's that?
I look at food.
Yeah, they're looking for lizards. They eat lizards. Yeah.
I shut the door.
Yeah, be real quiet with it. Oh, or not. See him? That's a blue egret. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Egret. Yoshi, you see those? Egrets?